Okay, continue with the same unit, description of motion in 2 and 3 dimensions. Okay, in that question number 63 and 64, take it as homework. Next, question number 65. A projectile is thrown with initial velocity ai plus bj meter per second if the range of the projection is twice the maximum height reached by it, then b is. Okay, velocity it is ai plus bj and the range of projection, that means r. Range of projection is twice the maximum height. Okay, that means r is equals to h max and velocity it is v is equals to ai plus b vector g meter per second. Then we have to calculate this constant. Here a and b are the constant. We have to calculate small b, and options are given is in the form of small a. Okay, we have to calculate what? Small b. So how to calculate it? Simple. ux or a and b is a and b means what? A is the constant which is along which axis? I, that means along x-axis. Okay, therefore this a can be written as ux cos theta is equals to what? A. Okay, and next therefore ux is equals to and uy is equals to what? Uy sin theta is equals to b. Okay, and r is equals to, what is the formula for r? R is equals to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Okay, this sin 2 theta is can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Therefore 2 u square sin theta into cos theta divided by what? G. Okay, next this u sin theta and u cos theta can be written as a and b. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, r is equals to 2. Okay, u sin theta multiplied by u cos theta. Okay, so r is divided by what? G. Okay, therefore r is equals to 2. U sin theta is nothing but b and u cos theta it is a. Therefore 2ab divided by g. Okay, so r is equals to 2ab divided by g, and the given relation is r is equals to h max. Okay, r is equals to h max. Given r is equals to 2h. Okay, r is equals to 2ab divided by g is equals to 2. Okay, what is the formula for h? U square sin square theta by 2g. H is equals to u square sin square theta divided by g. Okay, this can be written as 2ab divided by g is equals to 2. U sin theta is nothing but b. Therefore 2b square divided by g. This g get cancelled. 2 and 2 get cancelled. B and b get cancelled. Therefore what? Formula it is 2g. Okay, therefore b is equals to how much? 2 into a. Okay, therefore b is equals to 2 into a. Therefore which option number is correct? Option number B is correct. Okay, simple. Given it is r is equals to 2h max, put the formula for r and h, where a is nothing but what? Ux cos theta and b is nothing but what? Uy sin theta. Why we write it as cos theta? Because the coefficient of I it is a. Okay, and I shows that what? Along x-axis and j is along y-axis. Okay, take next question. Question number 67. The equation of motion of the projectile is given by x is equals to 3060 and the 2y is equals to 96t minus 9.8 t square meter, then the angle of projection is. Okay, that means what? Equations are given to you. X is equals to 36t and 2y is equals to 96t minus 9.8 t. Okay, this can be converted into y is equals to how much? 48t, 9.8 t square, 48t minus 4.8. This one it is 9.8, 4.9 t square. Okay, next we have to calculate what? Angle theta is equals to how much. Okay, how to calculate it? Simple. First take the derivative. Why we have to calculate, why we need to calculate the derivative? Okay, this is x-axis and y-axis. Suppose this is the angle, okay, sorry, the motion it is projectile motion. Okay, this one it is, this is the angle theta. We have to calculate this angle theta. Okay, so how to calculate it? Simple. Vx is equals to what? Dx divided by dt. Okay, if we take the derivative of 36t, how much it is? 36. If we take the derivative of this, it is 48 minus 4.9, 4.9 multiplied by 2t t square, that means 9.8 t. Okay, this is the derivative of y. Okay, is the equation of motion, and we have to calculate the angle. Okay, and when we start the projectile, at that time t is equals to what? 0. Okay, initially the time t is equals to 0. Okay, so Vy is equals to how much? Vy is equals to 48 and Vx is equals to 36. Okay, from that we get what? V. V is equals to how much? Vx square, 36 square plus 48 square. If we solve this equation, we get V is equals to 60 meter per second. Why we calculate the Vx, Vy and V? Because we have to calculate the angle this theta. This is the y-axis, that means this is the Vy, this is the Vx, and this one it is V. If we take sine theta, okay, sine theta is equals to what? Vx divided by V. Okay, next, and or the cos theta is equals to Vx divided by V. Vx is equals to how much? 36. 36 divided by 60. How much it is? 4 by 5. Options are given is in the form of sine. Therefore, theta is equals to sine inverse of 4 by 5. Okay. So, which option number is correct for this? Option number A is correct. Okay. For question number 67. Okay, take next question. Question number 69. This is the last question from this unit. Description of motion in 2 and 3 dimension. The sum of magnitudes of the two vectors is 18. Okay, we have to given the sum of the two magnitudes of the two vectors is 18. The magnitude of their resultant it is 12. Okay, and if the resultant is perpendicular to the one of the vector, then the magnitude of two vector is. Okay, we have to calculate the magnitude of two vectors. Given it is the sum of magnitude of two vectors. Sum of magnitude of two vectors it is 18, and the resultant R is 12. If the resultant is perpendicular to the one of its vector, okay, if the resultant is perpendicular to one vector, then the magnitude of two vectors, that means we have to calculate A is equals to question mark and B is equals to question mark, that means how much. Okay, so how to calculate? We we know that a plus b and r. What is the formula for r? R is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, what is the formula for resultant? R is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, taking squaring on both sides, r square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, next suppose again we know that the formula for tan theta is equals to how much? B sin theta. All formulas are given to you. B sin theta, therefore divided by a plus b cos theta. Okay, the angle, the resultant is perpendicular to one vector, that means angle it is 90 degree, theta it is 90, and tan 90 is equals to b sin theta divided by, and tan 90 it is infinity. Okay, infinity is equals to b sin theta divided by a plus b cos theta. Okay, or it can be written as a plus b cos theta is equals to 0. If we put this denominator is equals to 0, then we get what? Equals to infinity. Okay, therefore this infinity shows that the a plus b cos theta is equals to 0 and b cos theta is equals to minus a. Okay, we have to calculate dA and b, magnitude of a and b. Okay, put the values of a plus b or the r. Suppose if we take a square plus b square, resultant it is r. Okay, given resultant r is equals to how much? 12. Okay, r is equals to 12, and this r can be written as, by Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square and is equals to r square. R square it is 12 square. How much it is? 44. And sorry, this a is b cos theta is nothing but what? Minus a. Therefore this can be written as b square minus a square, or a square minus b square it is a minus b, sorry, b minus a, b square minus a square, b minus a and b plus a is equals to 144. A plus b is given to you. How much it is? 18. Okay, 18 into b minus a is equals to 144. Therefore b minus a is equals to 8. Okay, so b minus a is equals to 8 and b plus a is equals to 18. If we solve this equation, a get cancelled, 2b is equals to 26. 26 divided by 2 it is 13. Therefore b is equals to 13. If we solve this equation simultaneously, we get b is equals to 13 and a is equals to how much it is? 5. Okay, therefore for question number 69, the option number A is correct. Okay.